Dear traders, in this video I am going to explain you about a new strategy that is equally good for day trading and scalping, but I would recommend you to use it for the fast trading strategy, that is the scalping. I have also set my time frame on 5 minutes, so you can also use it for your scalping strategy. Plus, this strategy can be used not only for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. Okay, before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with them, you have 5 options of accounts. They are standard, cent, raw spread, zero and pro accounts. So if you are thinking to open your account with them, you will get the maximum profit as they are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods and give you maximum profit for it. So if you are ready to open your account with them, you can find the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here you have to use the one indicator, that is stochastic RSI indicator. This is in front of you. Please click on it. It will be applied on your chart. From here you have to close here. Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you here is that what is stochastic? Basically, stochastic is used, it is a short-term momentum indicator that is very similar to RSI, and it compares the current close to the highest and lowest close during a particular time. Plus, it is used to identify overbought and oversold levels as well. Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you is that when to enter into the market and when to leave the market. Here I will tell you that when a reading is above 80 and it indicates that the indicator is near the top of its high-low range, and a reading below 20 signals that the instrument is trading near the bottom of its high-low range. Okay, so we have here overbought and oversold levels. So according to this, we have to enter into the market by checking it. But if you want to add another indicator for the confirmation, you can simply add exponential moving average, or EMA. You have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart. You have to go into the setting of this and you have to change its length from 9 to 150, and you have to go into the style and change its color. It will be white and bit thick. Okay, this is your EMA, which is showing you that when the EMA is above the market, it means you are in the bearish trend and you have to take the signal for the sell. And if the EMA is below the market, then you have to enter into the market for the buy trend or bullish trend, right? In the same way, if you see here the market is below this EMA, so you have to take the trade for your bearish trend. As you can see here, that your market has overbought levels, so you have to when it will touch this 80 line, then you have to take the position as it is showing you that market trend reversal, and you have to enter into the market for the bearish trend, and you will enter into the market for taking maximum profit by using sell signal. Okay, here it has reached into its maximum range of 80. Stochastic RSI is showing this is overbought levels. So again, you have to check the market and you have to enter. Here you can see that our market has entered into the bullish trend and EMA is below the market. So you can also go move above for the bullish trend and take the position for the buy signal, right? Among these both lines, I want to tell you that one of the line is K percent and the second line is D percent. Blue line is the K percent line, and the other line, D line, is the K percent line. The K percent line compares, means blue color line, it compares the lowest low and the highest high of the given period to define the price range, basically. Then displays the last closing price as a percentage of this range. And what does this orange color or percent D line? That is a moving average of percent K. So these two lines are shown on the scale of 1 to 100 with key trigger levels. They are shown with 20 and 80 levels, right? So these lines are represented by a blue and an orange line, and any action outside these lines is considered to be particularly significant, that can be considered as overbought or oversold levels. I hope this strategy is clear now and you are ready to enter into the market by using this powerful strategy. Here, as you can see, the EMA line is below the market, so you have a bullish trend and you are able to enter into the market. Okay, and here EMA line is showing that your market is below this EMA, so you are ready to enter into the market for the bearish trend. As we compare it with the stochastic RSI, it is showing you that from here it has entered into the market for the bearish trend. Consecutively it is in the bearish, and here it is oversold level. From here it touched the market and again it has upward trend for a bit time, and as it touched the 80% line, again it reversed back for the bearish trend, and it is still in the bearish position, right? It is going in among in between these two levels, but if it will be in the overbought level, then you have to take the wait for the market for some time, and then you have to take the position if it is continuously going in the reversal trend, right? So you have to use this strategy for your scalping. This is the best strategy that you can apply on your 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute and 15 minutes time frame as well. Okay, if you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my videos. So good luck for your trading. See you in next video. Thank you.